Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve this style box braid. If it's something you may be interested in, please keep watching. So I'll have my hair well washed. I'll go ahead to part it. I always love to part my hair using my ear as a guide to part my hair from one ear to another. That's way it's more easier and simple for me to do. So this is me. I already have my hair parted. And always love it half front and half back. So now I'll go ahead to braid to part my box. So I'm just checking here to make sure my lines are well neat, and also went ahead to part this into two half. And now I was done with the back side, and this is, let me show you guys how I was able to do this side. I just parted this side into boxes, so just to make sure they are all equal. So that's what I'm going to do for that part, and basically that's what I'm gonna do for every of the hair, parting them into box sizes. So this is another line I'm still gonna part it into box sizes, and that's it. So just watch me on how I part them, and also use a rubber band to hold them down tightly. At this point, I was done with parting my hair into box sizes, and this is the hair braid I'm using, Expression. It comes in 3-pack. It's 52 inches, I think. So this is me now. I just lay my head with some shine and jam and section it into two. Here I have my braid extension. I'm gonna be putting at the middle of the hair and use a rubber band to secure the hair tightly. Tight, but not too tight so you don't feel pain, and also use some shine and jam to lay down my hair, and also went ahead to use another hair braid, a bigger one, to hold the hair from the top and braid down. So while braiding, you need to hide your hair so it doesn't look rough but rather neat. So same process I'm gonna repeat. Lay with some shine and jam and use a bigger hair extension, use it at the top and begin to braid down. At this part, I'm taking off the rubber band and I section the hair into two parts. I'll go ahead to use some place some hair braid at the middle and use the rubber band to secure it tightly, as you can see me doing here. This way it's more easy and simple for me to do, and also use some shine and jam to flatten down my natural hair. And I also went ahead to use a big braid extension, depends on the size of box braid you're trying to achieve, and use it for the top and start to braid down. While I'm braiding, I make sure I always use the hair to cover my natural hair, the hair extension to cover my natural hair. That's what I always do when braiding, just to give it that neat look. So the same process I'll be repeating section my hair into two, use my rubber band to tie, just to give it a good secure, and lay my hair flat with some hair shine and gem, and use a big hair braid to begin to braid down the hair. So this is the last braid I have. I was almost done with the hair. This is just the last piece. So just apply some shine and jam around the hair, section into two, place my braiding hair at the middle, and use my rubber band to secure it tightly. Also went ahead with some shine and jam just to lay down my hair flat, my natural hair flat. Then I'm using a big hair braid piece on top and braid down. And while I'm braiding, I'll be hiding my natural hair using the braid extension. And this is it. I was actually done, and I went ahead to use some hot water. So you gotta be careful when using the hot water so you don't get yourself burnt. Just I'm using the hot water to make the tip of the hair looking smooth and all neat. I also use some hot water to press down on my hair just for any pain and just to smoothen any flyaways hair. And also I'll be applying some mousse on the hair to give it that shine on my hair. After applying the mousse, I went ahead with my hair oil, my homemade hair oil, and apply into my scarf, just give it the shine, and also to help moisturize my scarf and massage it gently into my scarf. And that was it, basically it. And this is the hair, guys. This is the final look. This is looking super gorgeous. It took me 3 hours to make. It's super easy and simple. To be honest with you, the parting part was hard, but I still got everything done greatly. And I have about 38 box braid. So thank you guys for watching, and also please subscribe to my channel. And I hope you try this hair and let me know in the comment section what you think. See you in my next one. Bye for now.